Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another easy-to-follow tutorial. Today, we're diving into how to withdraw Bitcoin from Metamask to Kraken in 2025. If you're looking to move your Bitcoin from your Metamask wallet to the Kraken exchange for trading or secure storage, you're in the right place. This process has gotten even smoother with the latest updates, but always double-check for any platform changes. Let's get started. First things first. Make sure you have Bitcoin in your Metamask wallet. Remember, Metamask is primarily for Ethereum-based assets, so if you're dealing with actual Bitcoin, BTC, you might be using a wrapped version like WBTC. Open your Metamask app or extension and verify your balance. If you don't see BTC, you may need to bridge it from another wallet. Don't worry, I'll touch on that briefly. Next, head over to your Kraken account. Log in securely and navigate to the Deposit section. Select Bitcoin as the asset you want to deposit. Kraken will generate a unique deposit address for you. Copy this carefully, as it's your key to a successful transfer. Pro tip: always use the address for the correct network, like the Bitcoin network, to avoid any issues. Now, back in Metamask, go to the Send feature. Paste the Kraken deposit address into the recipient field. Double-check the amount you're sending. Remember to leave some for network fees, which can vary based on blockchain congestion in 2025. Hit Next and review the transaction details. Once you're confident, confirm the send. You'll see a confirmation on the blockchain shortly. After the transfer, keep an eye on your Kraken account. It might take a few minutes to a couple of hours for the Bitcoin to appear, depending on network traffic. If it doesn't show up, check your transaction on a blockchain explorer like blockchain.com. And there you have it. Your Bitcoin is now safely on Kraken. Always prioritize security. Use hardware wallets for large amounts and enable two-factor authentication everywhere. If you found this helpful, give it a like, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and happy trading in 2025.